Bonjour, hey everyone, welcome back to Crowned in Cows. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy natural hairstyle with you, and it is going to have flat twist in it. So this past weekend I really took some time to learn how to flat twist, and I can finally say I'm getting the hang of it. To start, I sectioned the front of my hair into 3 parts. For the sides, I decided to go with rubber band cornrows, and I saved the middle section for the flat twist. So for the sides, I just divided each side into 2 sections, and I secured each with a rubber band for a neat structured look. So I did the same on the other side too, and I left the middle section for the flat twist. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are interested in more natural hairstyles, and thank you so much to my subscribers. We've reached 100 subscribers today, and thank you so much for the support. So each time I style my hair, I make sure that it is completely moisturized. So I use my moisturizing leave-in conditioner from Cantu or Shea Moisture, it depends on the day. I also use my Shining Gem Edge Control to just make sure that I have a neat finish. Now on the midsection, this is where I'm going to do the flat twist. So I sectioned my hair into 3 parts. I made sure the parts are smaller so that the flat twist can be more defined. So this is how I did it. I just grabbed a small section of hair and I split it into 2 parts. So I began twisting by overlapping one section over the other, and with each twist I add a little more hair to each section as I went along the scalp. It's quite different from the normal braiding twist because we focus more on twisting the hair, but with flat twist it's more like just overlapping, but the focus is more on creating a little bit of tension on the scalp so that the twist remains super flat. But don't pull too hard. Flat twists should feel secure and they shouldn't be painful or cause any damage to your edges. So I continued twisting to the end and I loved the results. The twist came out pretty good. So once you get the hang of it, just keep working through each section, repeating the same twist and add technique. I really took my time and didn't worry about it to look too perfect at first, because practice makes perfect with flat twist, and I know that next time I'm going to be better at it. But for a first timer, I think I really did well. I'm going to keep learning, and because I have a lot of hairstyle ideas with flat twist. When I was done twisting the midsection, I tied my hair into a high puff. I then added some accessories to the twist, and I always love them in gold because I love gold. And that was all about it. I really love how this turned out. I know I'm going to be perfect next time, but for a beginner, I think I did very well. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved this tutorial, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.